Donald John Trump has used social media not only to connect with supporters but to take on his challenges and, for better or worse, dominate headlines. However, a new report from Social Flow, a social media optimization company, indicates that Trump is either tied or losing ground on Hillary Clinton on certain social media metrics. Social Flow's data show Trump only slightly ahead of Clinton in Facebook mentions, shares and likes. Trump still maintains a small lead on Clinton in terms of the reach of his posts.
On Donald Trump's website, the center is the Republican Party, Donald Trump and Mike Pence, who is Trump's vice president. The receivers are the people in the United States and the ones who want to vote for Donald Trump. At the website, there are some categories which you can check out, for example, immigration, education, and tax plans. Under these topics, you can read Donald Trump's vision, the key issues, and the contrasts with Hillary Clinton on each of the subjects. On the website, there is also a category called States, where you can see the issues that the state has and what Donald Trump will do about it. You can also read about how Obama Clinton has hurt the different states, and then you can join the movement to make America great again. It is also possible to see when Donald Trump is going to visit the state, and you can buy tickets to see him. On the website, he also has a category called Media, where you can see what has happened over the last year, month by month. Under every month, there are speeches, articles, and videos that has something to do with Donald Trump or the election.
The second last category on the website is the shop, where you can buy products with his slogan, Make America Great Again. For example, you can buy headbands, paintings, and stickers. The last category is called Contribute, where you can donate money to show your support for Donald Trump. On Donald Trump's Facebook page, he publishes videos and pictures from different events he has been attending. There is a category called Problems, like on the website, where you can see what Donald Trump wants to do about the different problem. He also has a shop where you can buy clothes to show your support to Donald Trump. And on the Facebook page, he has 12.2 million likes.
Our conclusion is that Donald Trump's credibility as a candidate, based on our analysis of the two communication sites, is that he has a good credibility. But you have to be critical when you read it, because he only writes about the good stuff. In that term, we think the two sides present a candidate who can be considered as a presidential.